hop on board and enter into an exciting world of shopping. And believe me, it's going to be a lot of fun because Aarti Bagdi's Collision is never disappointing. So come along with me and join in all the fun. This season, it's all about fun, romance and fashion statements. And the ideal place to shop was at Aarti Bagdi's Fashion Collision, a 2-day Spring Valentine special. This exhibition has always received an overwhelming response. But this year, Aarti decided to take it a step further by bringing in a tri-series exhibition. I'm here with Aarti Bagdi at the Chola Sheraton. Aarti, please tell us how this year is different from 2009 in terms of your Collision.
This is the first edition of the 2009. We are going to have 2 more after this, but this is the Spring Valentine Special. Being the Spring Valentine Special, we have a lot of summer collection, a lot of light pastels as far as colors are concerned, a little less of bling. But being Valentine, we also have bling. So having said that, there is bling for the Valentine season, but we have both the collections. So now we have some nice greens and matching with the pinks and the magentas and the reds. And being a Valentine special, we have included special section for home decoration and Valentine gift articles which can be used. And we have a lot of new designers on board also this time.
Chennai was spoiled for choice. We met 35 designers from across India, all under one roof, with the best luxury Pret collections. Shopaholics indulged in an array of clothing such as designer saris, sparkling Western and Indian footwear, dazzling jewellery, glamorous cocktail blouses, embellished ethnic bags, slim-fitting tunics and lacy silk salwar suits. I'm with Shweta here, who's going to tell us a little bit about her jewellery. I happen to really love your jewellery and I met you the last time as well right here. Could you describe what goes into the making of this particular jewellery?
Okay, see my designs, we're trying to revive the Mughal art, you know, that same kind of styles and designs, but with a little modern twist and definitely more wearable, more affordable. My jewelry is, it's basically a gold foil, a 22 karat gold foil which we wrap on lac. That's what our brand is also called, lacquer. And then we put all these kundins and you know, all semi-precious stone. The only synthetic stone used in our jewelry is CZ, that's cubic zirconia.
Wearable pieces weren't the only things exhibited. Bed linen, upholstery and table mats were some of the home decor and lifestyle essentials also on display. What do you like most about an exhibition like this? Do you think it does well for the city of Chennai?
Look, I think it does. In any case, you know, when women enjoy the retail therapy, the whole experience. So I guess it's an upper, plus you get to sort of, you know, see things from all over the country and also indulge in the retail therapy bit. So for me, it's, I think, fantastic. And plus, I think it gives us an appreciation of what people are doing in other cities. So, yeah.
From a designer's perspective, how does this help you?
See, people who don't have retail outlets, this is a great help because this way you travel to different parts and you know, you can just invest a bit and hold a stall for 2-3 days and you do good sales and go back. So in fact, better than if you had a shop, because in 2 days you wouldn't be making the kind of sales you do here in 2 years. So that's good for us also.
Whoever said money can't buy happiness simply didn't know where to shop. Because this unique extravaganza was a melting pot, bringing together shoppers, designers, brands and fashionistas too. Am I a shopaholic? Nah, not my thing. But obviously there are tons of people out there who thrive on it. So here's something for you jewelry lovers. And I sure hope you like Cooked Earth.